Categories. You can organize all your spots and treks into different categories in order to help visitors navigate your site and more easily find what interests them. Spots and trails will appear on your site arranged into categories. A filter function in the Map feature allows visitors to search for spots in the specific categories they want. In the Categories screen, you'll see a list titled What's Here on the left-hand side of the screen. This holds all of the uncategorized spots and treks that you've created. Add new categories by clicking on the plus symbol and choosing a topic from the drop-down list. A new column will be created for each new category. Tip: if you need a specific category that you can't find on our list, please reach out to us at Wishtrip and we'll be happy to create new categories to meet your needs. Drag your items into the desired category column. Items can only appear in one category. If you add something to a new category, it will disappear from the previous column in which it sat. You can drag items within each category to change the order within the category. Items will appear on your site in the order they are in the columns, unless you move the slider to Random. You can also reorder the category sections themselves by dragging them on your screen. The What's Here category will always be the last section on your site, though it appears first in the Site Builder. However, if the column is empty, it will not appear in your site. Selecting horizontal or vertical determines how the category sections will appear on the app. You can choose whether images will appear regular or large. Select large for the categories you want to draw attention to. Categories can be easily changed when you want to promote specific attractions. You can delete a category at any time. This will not delete any items in that category. Instead, they will return to the What's Here column on the left, which cannot be deleted. Tip: don't create too many categories, as it can make your site appear busy and hard to navigate. Each category should contain at least 3 items so they don't look empty. It is generally better to have fewer, fuller categories than lots of categories with only 1 or 2 sites or treks in each.